I'm going to answer some questions right now, but I want you to keep watching my videos, okay? Because here's what's going on. With all the riots going on in the USA, and I'm going to timestamp this right now. It is Saturday, June 5th. Is it the 5th? First, second, third, fourth. First, second, third, fourth. Yeah, no, June 6th. Saturday, June 6th, 2020. And I have people sending me questions all over social media. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, all over saying, James, with all the riots and all the shit going on in the USA right now, coronavirus, quarantine, people rioting, it looks like you're living a magnificent life. There's no problems where you are. Where the hell are you? What the hell are you doing to make money? I want to live that lifestyle because my lifestyle is called a paradise lifestyle. I'm in the Caribbean. I'm 5 minutes from the Caribbean beach in one of the #1 vacation spots of the world, and I want to tell you exactly how to live this life. You ready? Here we go. I'm going to show you exactly what, where, why, how, and when to do it. Let's go. Okay, so here's the deal. The #1 thing, one thing you could do right now is make money on the internet. So there's 5 things you need to do, okay? So I'm going to tell you exactly what they are. Here we go. #1, the first thing you need to do is you need to have a product or a service. You need to sell something. Without selling something, you'll never get rich. Let me say that again. Without selling anything, you'll never get rich. Donald Trump is a billionaire because he sold real estate. He's a salesman. His wife sells clothing online, perfume. His wife is rich because she's a saleswoman. All the musicians, Justin Bieber is a little sales boy. He's a young guy, he's 25 years old, but he sold himself as a dancer musician, and that's how he became worth $150 million. Well, he's worth more, like $300 million, right? The top people in the world. Look at Grant Cardone. Look up Grant Cardone. He's a salesman. He teaches people how to sell. So the first thing you need to do, you have to have a product. #2, you have to learn how to sell it. Where? Online. You have to sell it online. #3, if you don't have a product, then you have to sell somebody else's product. You can sell my product. I'll teach you how to do that in a couple of minutes here, so keep watching. #4, you have to have a follow-up system. Did you know most sales are not made on the first attempt, the first call, the first ad, the first commercial? No. The sales, when people buy a product, they've been looking at it at least 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 20 times before they buy it. One time I bought a brand new convertible Chevrolet Corvette Turbo, right? And I looked at it and looked at it and looked at it, but I didn't go buy it until I looked at it about 25 times. Then I went to it, specifically the color and options and everything I wanted. And then the 5th thing you need to do is learn how to take money. You have to collect money. The only way you put money or cash in your pocket or your bank account is by taking money from other people. And how do you take money from other people? You sell a product or service that they absolutely not want, they need. If you sell the #1 product in the world right now, which is education, teaching people how to make more money, which is what people need. They don't want more money, they need more money. You need more money. If you learn how to do those 5 things and you teach people how to make more money, because that's what they need, you're super rich. I'll be right back. All right, guys, here we go. We are living in the Caribbean. This is called Living in the Caribbean, My Paradise Lifestyle. This is Ceviche from Peru. My little partner in crime, my little girl made this. She just made this fresh. It is fresh ceviche that they make in the country of Peru. And it's fresh tilapia fish and also tuna. So we got tilapia and tuna fish, and it is amazing. And we also have this fruit called calampara. Calampria. This fruit is amazing. It's so healthy for you. It's good for your stomach, your digestive system. And we make a fresh juice, calampara juice. Look at that. Fresh calampara juice. This is one of the healthiest fruits and juices you could eat. So if you want to learn how to make this stuff, make a comment below. Say yes, send me the information. We'll send you a description of the recipe of all the ingredients and a list and a personal video exactly how to make it. Okay? Cheers. See you soon. Keep watching my videos. Oh, bang that like button. Smack that like button. Click the notification bell and then click all. Get all my videos, and then also make a comment below and share my video. Love to help you. Keep watching. We're in the Caribbean. Living Caribbean. This is called Living Caribbean. Can you hear the Caribbean music? Okay, keep watching my videos. Hey, what's up, guys? We're at the rooftop pool hanging out, and yeah, so I'm just teaching people how to do two things, okay? So I'm in the Caribbean right now in Mexico. The beach is right over there. The sun is about to go down. It's a little cloudy today, but I want to show you how to do something. So listen, while you're sitting at home with all the riots going on in the USA and the coronavirus and all that bullshit, I'm living in Mexico, right on the Caribbean Ocean, loving life. And the reason I'm here is because it's peaceful, it's calm, there's no riots, there's nothing, it's peace, it's totally cool, I love it, and it's super cheap. Check this out, let me show you something. How would you like to learn how to live literally on $500 a month? Did I say $500 a month? Yes, I said $500 a month. In fact, I pay one bill every month, about $500 a month. That includes my rent, my cable, my internet, my gas, my everything. One payment, one bill. How many bills do you have? How many bills would you like not to have? How about I show you how to wipe away 90% of your bills every month? Car payments, mortgage payment, credit card payments, your rent, your mortgage, everything. Your electric, your gas, your water, your garbage, all that shit. Who the hell wants to pay all those bills? In fact, you probably have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bills you pay every month. I pay one bill, and how about I show you how to do two things and make money? Number one, make money online selling a product, the number one product in the world that everybody needs right now, which is teaching people how to make money online. And then the second thing is investing your money into real estate. What if I could show you how to make $150,000 or more every year, take half that money and buy properties, real estate, and the number one real estate market in the world right now? Do you love that idea? Then keep watching. I'll be right back. I'm going downstairs. So yeah, the business I'm talking about, guys, right now, Saturday, June 6th, 2020, is the online consulting business or online mentoring. So basically what I do is this, okay? It's really simple. And I'm cleaning my sheets right now. I got my little barbecue. I'm actually going to make a barbecued. We're going to barbecue tonight. We're going to barbecue. I got my little condominium here, right in the Caribbean in Mexico. But the number one business right now is online education, teaching people how to make money while they're sitting at home under quarantine, or while they're sitting at home because there's too much riots going on. All these people going crazy in the USA, right? I'm in the Caribbean. It is safe here, and it's cheap. It's super cheap. So check this out. So I pay one bill a month, about $550 a month, and everything's included. My house, my internet, my gas, my electric, my water, my cable, everything's included in that one price. Now I make enough money, listen to this, in one day a month, I make $500 or more, sometimes more, $800, $1,000, sometimes $3,000, sometimes $5,000. in one day. I can teach you how to make money in one day online and pay all your bills every month. How about if I show you how to do that in 1 hour? So what I do, wow, would that be cool? So what I do is I offer people a 1 hour, 60 to 90 minute, no charge, complimentary live call. I show you exactly how to live your life every hour, making enough money every hour, selling the #1 product online to pay your bills every month. How would you like to do that? Make money in 1 hour and pay all your bills every month. How about I show you how to make enough money in 1 week? 1 week to pay all your bills every year. Every year. Wow. Let's do it. Click on the link in the description below or just like my video. Punch that like button, subscribe to my channel, and click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications and get all of my videos, because I have a brand new video, YouTube video channel. I teach people how to live this life. What life? Living Caribbean. I called it my paradise lifestyle. Living Caribbean. Make enough money in 1 hour selling the #1 product on the internet every day in 26 countries to pay your bills every month, if not every year. Let's do it.